Hello and welcome to everybody listening. This is Balancing the Act, a podcast that focuses on how you manage your job and make sure you travel. In this podcast, you will hear stories from people who were willing to take a leap of faith and believe in their ideas. Each podcast will leave you educated and leave you with a unique life lesson.
Welcome to Balancing the Act. If you want to learn how to get featured in a travel magazine, I've got you covered. The guest on today's show is Rishabh Tripathi, who is a featured travel photographer. If you are from Odisha, this guy is your neighbor.
First of all, I'm Rishabh Tripathi. I'm from Odisha, but currently I'm working in Trivandrum of Kerala. And I'm working there in a software-based firm, but during weekends I love to travel a lot and I love to take different types of photos, especially landscapes. So that gives me a huge motivation to get through the work of the office also. So during the weekend, I can explore new places.
Given that you're a featured photographer, can you take us through the journey of how it all started and how have you managed to feature in publications like Tripoto Community and the Outlook Traveler?
Yeah, basically initially it started as a small project for me. Like I used to take some photos and post it, and sometimes I used to get featured in small sites. But at that time, it was a great deal for me. So after that, I just focused on increasing the quality of the photos, and I upped the tempo to one photo every day. So after some time, I started getting the recognition from top sites and magazines. Hard work, they started featuring my photos. So after that, once we get a photo featured.
So basically it started with you putting out more content and tagging those people, and that's how you got wrong.
Yeah, and also increasing the quality of the content.
So in terms of quality, when we're talking about a photo quality, what do you mean by quality of photo?
Basically, it means minimal amounts of editing. Like the lowest amount of editing is like the more natural we can make it feel to the audience, and also the framing and the composition of the photo, how it looks, the perspective of it. That is what matters.
If someone's from Odisha and they're listening, can you tell them some places which is close to their house, still stay at home and make their first adventure?
Yeah, sure. Like there are many places, many tourist places in Odisha that we can visit. Like there are many tourist places like Puri, then you have the Kapilash Temple, Konark Beach, Konark Temple and Konark Beach. But I would say first of all, if we're starting, we should go to those places, get a scope of the travel and the place, how it is, how does it feel. After that, slowly we can move on to lesser known places. But initially they should stick to the places that they already know.
Okay, so basically it's like a transition from an easy place to a place where you are not comfortable or you're in uncharted waters. But how important do you see planning your trip, and how do you plan your trip?
The only planning that I do during a trip is that I reach the place during sunrise or sunset, because that is what matters the most to a photographer. Nothing else matters. Coming to the advice that I would like to give to people who are coming into the line of landscape photographers or budding photographers, like first of all, they have to take care of the timing, the golden hour, like you said. And the second and the most important thing is whatever happens, they have to always be careful when they're traveling outside, because they have to step out of the comfort zone for it. So safety must be priority one always.
Okay, so I think all the budding photographers there, if you want to reach out to Rishabh, you know where you have to find him. And also stay safe, and more importantly, stay home right now.
Let me know if you found this episode insightful. I think we got a few tips, some light on how to click pictures the right way, why travel changes you as a person and makes you discover the real you. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned. I've got some stories to share.
This podcast is brought to you by Backpacker Me, Instagram handle @BackpackerMe. Follow, share.